Yeah, okay, all right. I've got a confession to make. I'm not a big fan of working out my legs. I don't like that wobbly feeling I get after it. However, I know it's super important to work these two things because they're the things that help you get from A to B. And if you're not strengthening your legs, walking can be quite difficult. So that's what we're working today in our low intensity interval training workout. 45 seconds of movement, 15 seconds of rest for 5 rounds. So, are you ready to make some moves in minutes? The workout begins in 15 seconds. So what we're going to do is turn our right foot out, raise our right leg up, bring it back down. We're going to do the same on the left side and bring it up, bring it back down. Alternating in 1, go. Right up, right down. Left up, left down. You don't have to bring your knees all the way up like this. Just bring it up as comfortable as you feel. So you can do little ones like this as well. Remembering to keep our posture and staying on the ball of our feet. Halfway there. Remember to breathe because 10 seconds to go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. Now we're going to bring our feet together, knees together, and we're going to sit back as far as we possibly can, as much as you feel comfortable. And when we sit back up, squeeze your butt together. And 3, 2, 1. Sit back down nice and slowly. Squeeze your bum on the way up. Maintain that posture by keeping your chest slightly out forward. Drag your hand down past your knee and bring it back up. Halfway there. Ooh, 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. Now we're going to bring our left leg up slightly and reach past our knee. Bring it back up and alternating on the other side. So right foot up, left foot past your knee. And 3, 2, 1. Left leg up, reach down with your right hand. Bring it back up. Right leg up, reach past with your left hand. Bring it back up. Remember, you don't have to go all the way down. Just bring your hand down as far as you possibly can, where it's comfortable, but slightly challenging as well. Because we're halfway there. Ooh, I really have to focus on this one. Ooh. 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, we're gonna do holding a half squat. So bring your feet where you feel comfortable. For me, it's feet slightly apart from my shoulder width. We're gonna sit into this position, half squat, and hold it for 45 seconds. And 2, 1, hold. This is where we really want to maintain our posture and put the weight, this time on the back of your heels, but evenly distributed throughout your feet. I'd say 60% heel, 40% front foot. You can also hold your hands any way you want. I just do this because it helps with my balance. Halfway there. Ten more seconds. Ooh, we got this. We got this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Oh. In the final exercise, we're going to bring our knee up, but this time straighten our legs forward and bring it back. Knee up with the left, straighten our leg, bring it back down. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Right knee up, straighten the leg, bend it back, put it back down. Left leg up, straighten it out, bend it back, put it back down. And we'll make it easier if you put your hands out like this. Nice and slow. Bring it up as comfortable as you feel, as safety is paramount. Halfway there. Remember to breathe, because this is the final round and we're almost done. 10 more seconds, yeah. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoa, my right leg went slightly unco there. Just remember, we don't have to be perfect, because guess what though? We just made it through our workout today. If you feel like you can do more though, check out my other 5-minute workout videos to add on to your workout routine. If you don't feel like it, that's okay. You made some moves today and that's what's most important. Leave a comment behind telling me how you felt during that workout. And if you have future suggestions, type it out for me. I will try my best to include it in the next video. Okay, hit that subscribe button because I'll be uploading quite regularly. Brain fart. Okay, I'll catch you all in the next workout. Bye-bye.